Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consultant. Today's video will be the lies we were taught about money. Yes, my dear family and friends, you were taught lies about money. Purpose of this video is to expose false beliefs about money, reframe your mindset with truth, which is biblical and practical, and empower viewers like yourself to take responsibility and action. Lies you were told that you still believe today. You were lied to about money. They told you money's evil. They told you rich people are greedy. They told you just work hard and you will be fine. But if that were true, why are so many hardworking people still struggling? Let's think about that for a moment. Okay. Today, we are exposing the lie we were taught about money. I wasn't taught any of these because I grew up in a different household, but in the consultant business and being around people and training, I've seen and heard these are what we're told. And in doing the experiments and checking, yes, these are actual facts of the lies you were told. If you're here, it's not by accident. You were not created to struggle forever. You were not designed to barely survive. You were not called to live beneath your purpose. But many of you are stuck because you were taught lies about money. Yahweh's first, as always. Our scripture for today is 1 Timothy chapter 6, verse 10. For the love of money is the root of all evil. Notice the word there is the love of money, not money, the root of all evil, the love of money. Money is a tool, just like fire. Fire can cook your food or burn your house down. Let's use common sense, practical sense, knowledge. The problem is not the tool, it's the heart of the person using it. So if you are wicked, your more money is just going to make you more wicked. If are a good person, more money, you'll be able to do more good. Look at people with money that do good and look at people with money that do evil. Remove the lies you were told. Point one, the lie, money is evil. Many of you grew up hearing money is the root of all evil, but that is not what the scripture says. 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10 says, for the love of money is the root of all evil. The love of money, because people will kill and destroy their family members and friends and other people for money. That means they put money first. You're not supposed to put money first. Point two, the lie. If you work hard, you'll be rich. Stop it. Hard work alone does not create wealth. Wisdom creates wealth. Systems create wealth. Knowledge creates wealth. There are people working two jobs and still broke. And there are people with one skill earning six figures. You do the math. I'm giving you time. Think about it. Lies, lies, and more lies. You were taught labor, but not ownership. You were taught jobs, but not systems. You were taught survival, but not strategy. Point three, the lie. Poverty is humble. Struggling is not holiness. Sorry, I don't care if you agree with me or not. I can give you the scriptures that says no. I am telling the truth. Struggling is not holiness. Being broke is not righteousness. Lack is not a badge of honor. Let's go to Deuteronomy 8:18. But thou shalt remember the Lord Yahweh thy God, for it is he that giveth thee power to get wealth. If Yahweh gives me the power to get wealth, I am getting wealth. Yahweh has given me the power to get wealth. That's why I have wealth. Yahweh gives you the power. So what are you doing? Struggling is not being humble. If you like poverty and you think it's humble, stay in that. Yahweh is wealth. Yahweh gives power to get wealth, not to remain in lack. Wealth is not about pride. Wealth is about impact, provision, legacy, and freedom. Money follows skill, discipline, value, strategy, obedience, and wisdom. Money responds to knowledge. That's why education matters, mindset matters, discipline matters, and purpose matters. The lie kept you small. The lie kept you dependent. The lie kept you afraid of growth. But today, the lie must end if you want it to. I'm ending the lies. I'm telling you the truth. You were created to build, own, lead, teach, provide, and leave an inheritance. Say it again. You were created to build, own, lead, teach, provide, and leave an inheritance. Not an inheritance of poverty. You want to leave inheritance of your bills to your children. No, that's not an inheritance. If this message spoke to you, comment. The lie ends today. Like this video so it reaches more people, share it with someone who's been struggling silently, and subscribe because we're building minds, finances, and purpose. We are BahtKaleb Consulting. Want to know where to invest? Contact us. Want to help remove some of those lies and reframe your mind? Contact us. Want to start a business but don't know the next step? Contact BahtKaleb Consulting. BahtKaleb consultant at gmail.com or sign up at www.bahtkalebconsultant.com. Glory to Yahweh, praise Yahweh. Hopefully, you take this knowledge and better yourself and our nation as a whole. Here's the information again. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Save this video or pass it on to a friend who you've been trying to tell to remove lies and they haven't removed the lies about money. I'm rich, I love wealth, and I enjoy it and you can't shame me for it. Ha ha. Praise Yahweh. Shalom.